Hey everybody, just a quick video on this 15-inch Thomas Kinkade Glory to the Newborn King Nativity Tree. I have the lights out. The pictures on eBay are going to be a lot better. I just wanted to show you the lighting through this with the lights out so you could see it real quick. Again, this is 15 inches. Plays Silent Night, as you can hear. It'll run on 3 AA batteries or with the included power cord that I do have for this. Just to give you a better view of everything here. Still has the small piece of tape over the nameplate. The only thing I did notice about this is the angel at the top here, which doesn't seem to want to focus in on. Looks like it had fallen off and was glued back together and stuck back on and is missing a hand. But that's the only thing I found on this whole thing. All this massive detail goes all the way around the entire tree. And I did look as best as I could at everything. There is a mass amount of detail. And like I said, the only thing I found was the angel there. Let's get a quick view of the other side. And give me 1 second and I'll show you the back. Here's the back of this tree. Here you have your on-off rolling switch, your button to play the song, and the input for the power supply. But here's the back figures. This really is an amazing and beautiful nativity tree that they have here. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at this, explain the one issue that I'd found, show you the detail involved in this. This really is an amazing piece. Again, this is the Thomas Kinkade Glory to the Newborn King Nativity Tree. Thank you for watching.